This is Judy. Judy has been looking for the perfect humidifier to match her style. Luckily for Judy, Homedics created the TotalComfort Deluxe Ultrasonic Humidifier. Judy loves the sleek design, wooden legs, and modern look. It goes perfectly in her living room. Judy also loves the clean tank technology that helps to protect the water tank from mold and mildew. It's a must-have feature for her. Plus, it reminds her when it needs to be cleaned. Talk about a smart humidifier. It's not only cute, but it's also packed with features, like the easy-to-fill tank, 3 mist settings, 360-degree mist nozzle, and programmable digital humidistat. Judy loves the fact that this humidifier can also double as a nightlight and aromatherapy diffuser. It's her new favorite home decor piece. Judy has always trusted Homedics, the established leader in wellness, to make her life easier and healthier, one innovative solution at a time.